She went over there. She's coming.
No, Susie
Here she
right
is.
here.
No, here she is right here.
Oh, she went back down.
Come on. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, baby. Baby, come on. Come on.
5 of our pups and 7 other ones are our friends Bill and Lori's. Theirs are a little bit older than ours by maybe a month. Two of ours.
Sorry.
Oh, here comes a wet one.
We might have some footage here for Merrick.
Who did?
How wet he is.
He swam across and let him drift down so he touched his feet.
What's his name?
Dandy.
Dandy.
Hi!
First time in the 5-dog class. Zip right down.
Whim. We're going to have problems. Who's that?
No,
That's Sam.
Hey, Sam.
Sam. Sam.
Come here, Sam. Come here, Sam.
Oh, Louise. Louise.
That's okay. He gives it out. He deserves a little.
Louise, you be nice. You're a little bit smaller than
Yeah.
Look at Rocky.
Come on, Susie. Susie! Susie, come on. Come on. Come here.
Hi, Sam. Sam.
Sam.
There's Mom.
Sam.
Here's all our babies.
Sam.
Sam's a slowpoke, but here he comes.
Water on this side. Bears coming through here sometimes. Catch some fish and stuff. How's Foxy? Holy macaroni. Foxy. Where are the puppies? Foxy. Where are the puppies? Ooh, Lordy. She came flying across and scared the pants off of me. Wasn't expecting her that soon. Can't even see the water coming from here. See if Campbell comes up this puppy. This is one of Gil's. Come on! Come on! Come on, Susie! 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 Scarlet! Hi! Hey, Susie and Scarlet. Yay! Susie! Hey, hey! Come on! Come on! Hey! 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 Foxy! 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 Come on, Fox! Come on, Fox! Hey! Close up. Come on, Foxy! Foxy, good job. Come on, Foxy! Fox, come here. Come on. Call Foxy. Come on, Fox. Okay, Foxy, you're up. Fox, go back across the bridge. Here comes some more. Woo! Woo! Sam! Come here, Sam! She's up there, yeah. Nope, here we go.
Oh, that's right. This one.
Oh, looky here.
Hi. Is this Roxy?
Phil Larson.
Red licorice for the Redskins.
For the Redskins.
Is that Roxy, the little one there?
Yeah. Running right with Foxy.
She stays.
She's fast.
Let's go. Hey. Come on, Joe. Rhett. He's got the little bit of... See, and these two are shy and the other one isn't.
They're all three of the same litter, right?
Yeah.
And then the other two that are older are the ones that are up there.
Yeah.
Having a great time.
Come on, let's go.
A little bit of ice on the water this morning, huh?
Yeah.
20 degrees at my house.
Josie McConnell made the Olympic team that day.
She didn't do a whole hell of a lot.
No. But they did a whole lot better when she wasn't in.
I know.
There's Big Ed.
It's snotty the way you are at home. Come on. Okay. Dropping a load here.
Hey,
Good night. But you notice how he gets off the trail.
what a good dog.
He looks good, doesn't he? Doesn't he have a great body?
Shoeless Joe. Shoeless. Joe.
Roxy.
Joe.
Look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
What's the matter, Fox? You got a friend, huh? He's coming behind you. God damn it.
Hey. Come on.
Foxy, you got a friend. Good girl, Roxy. Good girl, Roxy. Stay on.
But you know, what's impressive is the two dogs that we've got that are really fast.
Yeah.
Which is Velma and Rocky. Those are two that fight each other.
Hello, Scarlet.
They might be
Hello, baby. Come here.
Roxy!
Hey, guys. Roxy, no. No, they just want to be friends.
Girl, looks like she wants to live on her back.
Roxy.
Roxy! Roxy and Foxy, that's awful close.
In your face. Roxy says, I want to be in your face, Foxy.
Fox,
I want to be in your face.
what? Yeah, you're on video, you're on video. Oh, you're peeing on me too. Okay, see ya. Foxy, come
Hey,
here.
we're missing
Oh, Dumpin'. There's your dog. Dumpin' in the same spot as yesterday. That's almost in the same red paper set. Hi, Fox. Hi.
Hi, Sam.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Foxy.
Hello, dear Red.
Jim Nolke's brother told me today that the guy that won that whatever that world championship thing was last year, you know, the IFS something
Yeah.
or other.
IFSS.
Yeah.
IFSS.
is coming and is going to stay with him in Fairbanks for the winter. He's playing Austrian guy.
Louise.
One of them. Hey, there's Rhett. Rhett Butler.
Yep.
What is it?
Two. Two dogs.
Ask her. Are they loose?
Well, she's putting them on a leash.
Should we go somewhere?